Seeing processed but not completed and feeling confused? Don't worry, this one message could be costing you time, money, or productivity. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down exactly what processed but not completed means and how you can fix it fast. So what does it actually mean? It means your task, payment, or request has been started but not finished yet. For example, your payment is processed but not confirmed. Your order is packed but not delivered. Your application is reviewed but not approved. In simple terms, work is in progress but still incomplete. There are several reasons why this happens. It can be pending approvals. It can be missing information. It can be system delays or errors. It can be bank or server processing time. It can also be human delays, so don't panic. It doesn't always mean something is wrong. Here's something interesting. Your brain actually hates unfinished tasks because of the Zeigarnik effect. This means unfinished work stays in your mind longer. It creates stress and distraction, and it reduces your productivity. Now, let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Check what is missing. Step 2. Look for pending approvals. Step 3. Contact support if needed. Step 4. Complete the final step. Step 5. Follow up regularly. These simple steps solve most cases instantly. Here's how it looks in real-life: payment processed but not settled. Order processed but not shipped. Application processed but not approved. Same idea, different situations. Remember, this processed means work has started. Completed means work is finished. Your goal: always move tasks to done. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick solutions. Visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for detailed guides.